Good morning, students. Let us continue the topic permutation. Today we will discuss about permutations under certain condition. There are three theorems for your knowledge only, no need of learning it by heartly. I am just stating the theorem, but you need not to learn it by heartly. Permutation of n different objects taken are at a time when an object is always included. n object में एक object already include है, then the permutation of taking n different objects taking r at a time when an object is always included is r into n minus 1 p r minus 1. Proof is not necessary. Theorem 2, if the permutation of n objects taken r at a time if particular object is never taken, उसमें एक पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट को लिया ही नहीं, दैट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम n minus 1. One is omitted, n minus 1 pr. Next is permutation of n objects taken r at a time if two specified objects always occur together is 2 factorial into r minus 1 into n minus 2 pr minus 2. Since two are occurring together, we have deleted n minus 2. 2 from n, that is n minus 2, 2 from r minus 2, that 2 are occurring 2 factorial ways. If we are considering these two as one event, total number of events becomes r minus 1. Now let us start question. Now today we will discuss questions based on words. First question is example 1, page number 16.31. In this chapter, I suggest you is better to do solved example as well as unsolved example, because all unsolved examples are based on solved one. If you do unsolved examples, then your confidence will get increased. But solved example is very necessary. Besides that, you have to do NCERT exercise also. Now, question is, in how many ways the letters of the word pencil, this is very important, pencil can be arranged so that n is always next to e and n and e are always together. First part is n is always next to e. N is always next to e. Second part is n and e are always together. N and e are always together. Now how can do this? See, in how many ways letters of the word pencil be arranged? सबसे पहले आपको देखना कि how many ways, कितने ways में इसको letters of the word pencil can be arranged. How many letters are in this word and pencil? Total number of letters. Total number of letters. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, we are taking 5 letters from given group of 5 letters. That is 5p5. That is 5 factorial. The value of 5 factorial is 120. Next is, in how many ways they can be arranged is n is always next to e. N is always next to e. That means what? n हमेशा e के उसमें आना चाहिए. तो en को आप n is always next to e. e के बाद n आना चाहिए. उसको एक कर दिया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 आ रहा है. तो टोटल लेटर 6 फैक्टोरियल हो जाएगा. That means 6 factorial can find the value of 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. ये पूछा नहीं, आपके नॉलेज के लिए बताया. Now if n is always next to e means n e के बाद आना चाहिए. तो this can be considered single letter. Now how many letters are remaining? P, C, I, L. That means total number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here total number of letters 6 था, मैंने गलती से 5 बोल दिया. Total letters by considering e and n coming together with n is next to e is 5. Therefore, total arrangement, total number of ways. How many ways the letters of the can be arranged? Total arrangement. Yeah, total number of ways. Total number of ways in which the letters of the word pencil can be arranged so that e is next to n is next to e is 5p5. Yeah, 5 factorial. The value of 5 factorial is you know that it is 120. I told you up to 10 factorial you must learn it by heartly. Next one is n and e are always together. n और e साथ में आना चाहिए. But you are not asked n e के पहले आना चाहिए, e n के पहले आना चाहिए. तो e और n can be coming together as either en or ne. एन और ई साथ में या तो ई एन के फॉर्म में आ सकता है या एन ई के फॉर्म में आ सकता है। यहाँ आपका एन ई के बाद ही आने क्लोज था, मतलब ये क्लोज था, लेकिन इसमें ऐसा है। तो एन एंड ई कैन कम टुगेदर इन 2 फैक्टोरियल वेज, आइदर ई एन और एन ई। अब इसको आपने एक लेटर ले लिया, बाकी रिमेनिंग लेटर्स कितने हैं आप बताइए। रिमेनिंग लेटर्स को एक साथ लेते पहले, जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 रिमेनिंग लेटर्स। I will not explain all the step, but in the examination you have to write each and every step, so that go through the every step of adisama. Remaining letters is equal to 5. These letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. तो en को एक साथ लेकर के टोटल 5 लेटर्स है, उसको 5 फैक्टोरियल वे में अरेंज कर सकते हैं। en can be come together in 2 factorial ways, either en or ne, so that total number of arrangement is 2 factorial into 5 factorial. That's the fundamental principle of multiplication. That means 5 factorial into factorial is 240. So there are बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है वर्ड वाला, हर एक क्वेश्चन आप करते रहना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम डूइंग इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एग्जाम्पल 2. There are a lot of questions, but I can't do each and every question. Next question is how many different words can be formed with the letters of the equation. Example, next question is example 2 of the same page number. Example 2. In how many ways the letters of the word equations E, Q, U, A, T, I, A, O, N equation, so that the word begin with E. E से इसको begin करना है. Second part is the word begin with E and with N. E से start होना है, and with N होना चाहिए. Now next is the word begin with and end with consonants. Word begin और end दोनों consonants से होना चाहिए. First part, the word begin with E. That means first of all, what is the total number of letters? Total number of letters of the word equation. Letters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since E is fixed, what is the meaning of the sentence? The word begins with E. E से fix होना, मतलब start होना चाहिए. That means E is fixed. Since E is fixed, remaining letters, number of remaining letters, उसको तो fix कर दिया, तो remaining letters कितना होगा? Number of remaining letters is equal to 7. These 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. 7 factorial ways. Therefore, required number of words using the letters of the word E, starting with letters of the word equation starting with E is 7 factorial. Total number of words is equal to 7 factorial. That you can do by yourself. Second part is where begin with E. E से end होना है, ends पर end with N. That means these two are fixed. Now what are the remaining letters? Q, U, A, T, I, O. E fix है, N fix है. E से ही शुरू होना है, N पर end होना है. Since the word starts with E and ends with N, the remaining letters to be arranged. The remaining letters to be arranged is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That can, therefore, total number of words that can be formed with the letters of the word equations in which each word starting with E and end with N is 6 factorial. That is, 6p6. You can find the value of 6 factorial. You know that 6 into 5 into like that. Now third part is the vowels begin and end with consonant. Words begin with and end with consonant. Word begin or end with consonant. Consonant से begin भी होना चाहिए, consonant से end होना चाहिए. Number of consonants बताइए, vowels and consonants. What are the number of consonants? Consonants कौन सा इसमें? Q, T, N. E, U, A, I, O is vowels. Number of consonants is 3. And from this it is given that begin and end with consonant. Begins and ends with consonants. That means you have two consonants. That means you have to fix consonant in the beginning and consonant in the end with 3 consonants. That can be done in 3P2 ways. हम 3 letters में से 2 letter को beginning और end में fix कर दिया. Now what is the remaining condition? Now how many spaces are remaining? How many letters are remaining? इधर भी consonant कर दिया, इधर भी consonant कर दिया, बाकी कितना बचता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. The remaining letters, I can't write each and every step that you have to do from Adisama. The remaining letters can be arranged. Can be arranged in 6P6, yeah, 6 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of words by fundamental principle of multiplication, 1 by 1, object is one work is followed by another work. Total number of words by the given condition is 3P2 into 6 factorial. That means 3P2 is 3 into 2 upon 3 minus that is 6 into 6P6 is 7, 6 factorial 720. That means 4320. This is the example 2. Now example 3 or 4 you can do as homework. Note the question numbers. Example 3 and 4 of page number 16.32 you have to do as homework. 3 और हर एक क्वेश्चन इसका करना है, जो मैं नहीं करवा रही हूँ वो भी आपको करना है. Example 3-4 as homework. Next one is example 5. This is little bit different. Example 5 of page number 16.32. 16.32. Now question is, I am reading. In how many ways 5 boys and 3 girls can be seated in a row so that no 2 girls are together. No 2 girls are together. 2 girls साथ में नहीं होना चाहिए. Now I am starting the total 8 places is to be filled. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I am starting the girls from this point. The cross one is girls. This is boy. Again girls. अगर बीच में boys को नहीं रखेंगे तो girls साथ में आएंगे. No 2 girls can be seated together. Again boy, cross is girls. Again boy, cross is girl. Again boy. Now how many places? 1 minute. Let me check. कितने places होना चाहिए? First girl, then boy, then girl, then boy, then girl, then boy, then girl, then boy. Then 4 boys. How many boys? 4 boys are arranged. But how many boys are there? 5 boys. Now again across. अब देखिए कितने boys हो रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Let me write once more. Cross B, again cross B, again cross B, again cross B, again cross B, cross. देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 नहीं आ रहा है, वापस से अरेंजमेंट को चेंज करना है. लेट मी चेक द अरेंजमेंट. 5 बॉयज और 3 गर्ल्स को ऐसे आपको अरेंज करना है. 2 गर्ल्स कैनॉट बी sit together. In how many ways this can be done? I am starting from here. Girl, again boy, for girl, again boy, for girl, again boy, for girl, again boy. How many boys are here? 1 2 3 4. For girl, 1 minute. Girl, boy, again girl, boy, for girl, boy, again girl, boy, again गर्ल. अब देखिए कितने आ गए इसमें? 1 2 3. आप एक एक स्टेप ध्यान से देखना. 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ 1 2 3 4 5 बनाना चाहिए. एक और स्पेस आ गई. अगर आपने यहाँ गर्ल को बिठा दिया, देन बॉय, देन गर्ल, देन बॉय, देन गर्ल, देन बॉय, देन गर्ल, देन बॉय, देन गर्ल, देन बॉय. 5 बॉयज आना चाहिए. गर्ल्स को इसी तरह 3 गर्ल्स को अरेंज करना है. नाउ देखिए 5 boys can be seated in how many places? 1 2 3 4 5. देखिए 5 boys को आप 5 प्लेस में फिक्स कर रहे हैं. इसके बाद गर्ल्स को लेंगे. तो 5 boys can be seated in 5 places. In 5 places as per the figure is 5p5 That is 5 factorial ways. Now how many girls are remaining? Remaining girls are 3. How many positions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 position है. 6 position में girls को इस 6 position हो तब जाकर के girls कभी साथ में नहीं आएंगी. Now girls can be seated. Girls can be seated in the above form in 6p3 ways. Therefore, total number of seating arrangements. Total number of seating arrangements one by one. First हमने क्या किया, पहले बॉयज को ले लिया. बॉयज के बाद गर्ल्स में, गर्ल्स एक्चुअली वी आर हैविंग ओनली 3 गर्ल्स, बट वी हैव टू अरेंज इन 6 प्लेसेस सो दैट नो गर्ल कैन बी टुगेदर. जब तक गर्ल्स को इस तरह अरेंज नहीं करेंगे 2 गर्ल्स साथ में आएंगी. लेकिन इन द क्वेश्चन नो गर्ल्स शुड कम टुगेदर. दैट मीन्स 5p5 into 6p3. Now this becomes 5 factorial into 6 into 5 into, let me check, 5p3 into 5p5 into 6p3, that is 5 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4. This you have to do by yourself. 14400. Next question I am going to do is, number of questions are there, and next question I am reading. Question number 7, that is NCERT question. Question is little bit difficult. Difficulty level is increasing, so that you have to do very carefully. How many words can be formed letters of the word daughter? Example 7 of the same page number. Example 7 of the page number 16.32. 16.32. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? DAUGHTER. How many letters can be formed from? How many words can be formed from the letters of the word daughter, so that vowels always come together? Vowels always come together. Now, first of all, you have to see how many vowels and how many consonants are there. Total number of letters कितना है? Total number of letters. Total number of letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of vowels. Number of vowels. कितना vowels आ रहे हैं आप गिनकर बताइए. Number of vowel is 3. कौन सा है? A, E, U. That is number of vowels. Number of consonants. Number of consonants. How many are remaining out of 8? 5. What are the consonants? D, G, A, E, comma should be written. D, G, H, T, R. Now first part is what you are asked. In how many ways the letters of the word, how many words can be formed letters of the daughter, so that vowels are always together? How many vowels are there? 3 vowels. Vowels can be arranged. Vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. In 3 factorial ways. Now consonants. If vowels are considering, इस vowel को एक साथ में आप लेंगे. Considering all vowels together. All vowels को एक साथ लेंगे. All vowels together. आपने तीनों vowels को एक साथ ले लिया और 5 consonants को एक साथ ले लिया. Total letters remaining. How many letters are remaining? This is 5 consonants, 3 vowels. 5 plus 1, 6. Total letters remaining is equal to 6. And from this 6, you have to arrange 6 places. अब 5 consonants हो गया, 3 vowels को एक साथ कर लिया. ये तो 3 factorial is the arrangement of only vowels, and 5 consonant and 3 vowels, considering 3 vowels a single one. Total letters remaining is 6. They can be arranged in how many ways? They can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. They can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of words is equal to 6 factorial into 3 factorial. That is 6 factorial into 3 factorial is 720 into 6. That is equal to 4320. Once more I am explaining. Daughter, total number of letters is 8, 5 vowels and 3 consonants. Sorry, 5 consonants and 3 vowels. 3 vowels can be arranged 3 factorial ways. कोई ए ई यू हो सकते हैं, ए यू ई हो सकते हैं. 3 factorial way में vowels को arrange कर सकते हैं. Considering vowels as single letter, total number of arrangement letters remaining is 6. That can be done in 6 factorial ways. So the total number of words is 6 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 4320. And the next question, example 8, 9, 10, you can do by yourself because there are number of questions. Next question, example 11, that is very important. Be careful here. बहुत important है, समझना थोड़ा सा typical है, ध्यान से समझना. Question is, the principal wants to arrange the 5 students on the platform such that Salim occupies the second position and such that the girl's Sita is always adjacent to Rita. How many such arrangements can be done? मतलब principal wants to arrange 5 students in a platform in such a way that the second position, this is first position, this is second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, and total number of students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second position should be occupied by Salim only. That is the condition given. That is, in any arrangement, if you do this arrangement, if you do second type of arrangement, if you do third type of arrangement, Salim's position is fixed, that is second one. That means first position can be occupied by any of the students of the remaining 4. Salim को तो फिक्स कर दिया, बाकी 4 स्टूडेंट से फर्स्ट प्लेस कोई भी 4 में से एक ऑक्यूपाई कर सकते हैं. ये कितने वे में कर सकते हैं? 1 वे में कर सकते हैं. नाउ थर्ड में रीता एंड सीता शुड बी एडजेसेंट. दिस कैन बी डन आइदर रीता सीता ऐसे हो सकता है और सीता रीता ऐसा हो सकता है. ये कंडीशन. आप नेक्स्ट पोजिशन में जाएंगे, ये आप वापस दिस इज थर्ड एंड फोर्थ और फिफ्थ में करेंगे. दिस इज रीता सीता. ड्यू टू स्पेस की कमी से थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करना पड़ रहा है. दिस इज अगेन, देखिए रीता सीता, सीता रीता साथ में आ गए. रीता इज ऑलवेज एडजस्ट सीता, दैट इज गिवन. Again, that is in third and fourth position they can be arranged like this. In fourth and fifth position they can be arranged as that is Sita या Rita. ये arrangement भी हो गया. 4 students are there, not 5. 1 minute. Sorry, 5 students. Let me check. 5 students are there. 5 students है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 arrangement can be done. सलीम ने सेकंड पोजीशन ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया. फर्स्ट पोजीशन कोई भी हो सकता है. दैट मींस फर्स्ट पोजीशन कैन बी फिल्ड. फर्स्ट पोजीशन कैन बी फिल्ड बाय इन हाउ मेनी वेज? सलीम इज ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड. रीता एंड सीता इज ऑल्सो फिक्स्ड. तो बाकी कितने बचते हैं? 2 स्टूडेंट्स आर रिमेनिंग. देन दैट इज फर्स्ट पोजीशन कैन बी फिल्ड इन 2 ways. नाउ सेकेंड, देखिए दिस Salim is fixed. Salim can be arranged in 1 way या filled in 1 way. ध्यान से समझना इसको. एंड रीता एंड सीता कितने वे में हो सकते हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. As per the condition, since Sita is always adjacent to Rita, can be arranged in how many ways? 4 ways. So therefore, total number of arrangement as per given condition. Number of arrangement as per given condition is 2 into 4 into 1, that is 8. Once more repeating. The principal want to arrange 5 students in such a way that Salim always occupies second position and Rita and Sita is always adjacent to each other. Now Salim को fix कर दिया second position में. Rita and Sita can be fixed in these 4 ways. And first, that means 3 students have gone and 2 students are remaining. These 2 students can be used to fill first place, that is in 2 ways. Rita and Salim can be filled in 1 way. Rita and Sita adjacent to each other can be filled in 4 ways. Total number of arrangement is 2 into 4 into 1 equal to 8. This is very important question. Now one more question in example. This is example 11, 12, 13, 12 question also I will do, and the remaining question you can do as homework because number of questions are there. Question is how many numbers are there between example 12. How many numbers are there between 400 and 1000? 400 and 1000 using the digits 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If no digit is repeated, among 400 and 1000, how many digits are there? So that no digit is repeated. Among 400 and 500 means 400 और 500 के बीच में आना चाहिए. That means the 100 place should be filled by which digits? 400 और 500 के बीच में आना चाहिए, मतलब ये digits 100 place में नहीं आ सकते हैं. So since the numbers are to be selected between 400 and 500, 100's place can be filled by 100's place can be filled by the digits 4, 5, 6. 100 place इस digit से ही आप fill कर सकते हैं. And this can be done. This can be done in how many ways? Since the digits are not repeating, that is 3 ways. Now how many digits are remaining? ये 100 place हमने ये 4, 5, 6 3 ways में arrange कर लिया. Now what is the next condition? Tens और units place. 10 और units place में कितने digits आपके पास है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 में से एक digit गया. The remaining digit is 5. That can be filled in tens and 100 place. That is tens and ones place. Ones place can be filled by the remaining 5 digits. By the remaining 5 digits. Since repetition is not allowed. This can be done in 5p2 ways. 5p2 ways में हो सकता है. Now, so therefore, total number of numbers lying between 400 and 1000 is 3 into 5p2. That is 3 into 5 factorial by 3 factorial. That is 3 into 20 is equal to 60. This is also a little bit different. Now example 14, 15. These questions you can do by yourself. Now I am coming to page number 16.36. Again, yeah, the boys and girls even places. That is also a little bit typical. Listen carefully what I am doing. Example 18 of page number 16.36. The question is, 5 boys and 5 girls can be form a line with the boys and girls alternating. Find the number of ways in which the ways of making the line. 5 boys here, you are given 5 boys and 5 girls, and these students are to be seated in alternate way. That means I am starting from boy 1, then girl, boy 2, then girl, boy 3, then girl, boy 4, then girl, boy 5, then girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In how many ways this can be done? In how many ways? आपने boys को fix कर दिया, girls को arrange कर लिया. This arrangement can be done in how many ways? Just in the previous question, this arrangement. See, alternate. Boys and girls are alternate. यहाँ आपको boys को fix करना है या girls को fix करना है. I fix boy from the left extreme position, so I have to then arrange girls. This arrangement can be done in 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial ways. Now, what is the second type of arrangement? I can start arrangement. यहाँ मैंने boys से start किया, girls से start कर लेते हैं. Girls B1, girls B2, girls B3, girls B4, girls B5. This arrangement can, here we have fixed girls, here we have fixed boys. This arrangement can be again done in 5 factorial ways. But these two arrangements, या तो आप ये कर सकते हैं या तो ये कर सकते हैं. These two arrangements can be done in two arrangements can be done in two factorial ways. क्यों? या तो ये कर सकते हैं या तो दोनों का पॉसिबिलिटी है, 2 factorial. Therefore total number of ways of seating the students, total number of ways of making the line ऐसे फॉर्म करना है, बॉयज और गर्ल्स ऑल्टरनेट में आना चाहिए. टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज ऑफ मेकिंग द line is 2 factorial into either this or this. If or is coming, you have to add. If and is coming, you have to multiply. 5 factorial plus 5 factorial. That is 2 sorry. This can be done. 1 minute. 5 girls and 5 boys are we are arranging. Here 5. Here we have fixed boys, so that girls can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Again we have fixed boys, so the girls can fixed girls, boys can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So that the total number of, but 5 girls and 5 boys. This is wrong. Sorry. यहाँ बॉयज को फिक्स करके गर्ल्स को 5 फैक्टोरियल वेज में कर दिया, यहाँ गर्ल्स को फिक्स कर बॉयज को 5 फैक्टोरियल में आपने अरेंज कर लिया. In each case we are arranging 5 either boys or girls. So 2 arrangement can be done in 5 factorial ways, not 2 factorial ways. क्यों? क्योंकि हर अरेंजमेंट में हम 5 पीपल को लेकर चल रहे हैं, मे बी बॉयज और गर्ल्स. So that the total number of arrangement is 5 factorial into 5 factorial plus 5 factorial. This you can do by yourself. That is 5 factorial into 2 into 5 factorial. That is 2 into 5 factorial whole square. क्वेश्चन वापस बताती हूँ. 5 बॉयज और 5 गर्ल्स एक लाइन बनाना है, उसमें बॉय और गर्ल ऑल्टरनेट में आना चाहिए. हमने सबसे पहले लेफ्ट एक्सट्रीम में बॉयज से स्टार्ट कर लिया, 5 फैक्टोरियल लग गया, फिर गर्ल्स से स्टार्ट कर लिया. ये दोनों अरेंजमेंट्स में हम एक को फिक्स कर रखा है, एक को ही अरेंज कर रहे हैं. वो अरेंजमेंट 5 फैक्टोरियल में होगा, 2 में नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वी आर अरेंजिंग 5 either girl or 5 of the boys in each case. So total is 1 by 1 the multiplication. Now the remaining question you can do by yourself. I think that today whatever we have learned you understood. It remains. See you again in the next class. Thank you. You have to do all the homework that I have noted. Whatever the question that I have done, that is to be done. Whatever question that I haven't done, that also is to be done notebook with NCERT questions also. See you again. Thank you.